Hello everyone, welcome back to Big Ol' Toy, and today we got here WWE Elite Chainsaw Charlie, aka Terry Funk. Looking alright. Here it is out of the first package. Here it is out of the package, and this figure feels great. Really good in hand. It is the back. And here it is with the second head. What a nice gray figure. It just feel good in hand. Both head sculpt feel nice. It's the back. Very nice figure. Came with the two fits and with the saw, this chainsaw, which just look pretty nice. But this is it. Chainsaw Charlie, WWE Elite, aka Terry Funk. See you guys on the next one. Happy New Year, Big Ol' Toys!